Hello, good morning. Welcome to Kingston Public School. I am your maths teacher, Bhavna Gupta. Today, we will learn about Roman numerals, ascending order, descending order, and revision of place value. Okay, so let's start. What is Roman numerals? Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome. One of the letters used by the ancient Romans to represent number and still used today in some situations. In this system, I represent a 1, V represent 5, X represent 10, L represent 50, C represent the 100, D represent 500 and M represent the 1000. And these letters are used in combination to form others number. Okay, so see this table. You will read this table and learn it. Okay, then next is write the place value of underlined numbers. I have already explained about the place value, how to write the place value. So let's one example, this one. What is the place value of 2 in this number? Firstly, we will write 2. Then see how many numbers after 2? Only 1. So we will put 1 0 after 2. So the place value of 2 is 20 in this number. In the same way, you will do these examples. Then next, write the number in ascending order. In ascending order, numbers are arranged in smallest to greatest. Firstly, we will write smallest number, then second smallest, then third smallest. As last, we will write greatest number. Okay, so firstly, we will see first digit of all these numbers. Okay, so first digit of these numbers are 4, 5, 6 and 3. Okay, so what is the smallest digit? Is 3. So firstly we will write this number. Then second smallest digit is 4. 4 is the first digit of 3 numbers. So we have to see second digit of these 3 numbers. It's 5, it's 7 and second digit of this number is 2. So what is the smallest number? Is 2. So for then we will write this number. Okay, then we will see these two numbers. Is a 5 is the second digit of this number, is 7 is second digit of this number. 5 is the smallest. So next smallest number is this. Then last is this. Then next first digit is remaining number is 5 and 6. So smallest number is 5. 5 is the first digit of these 3 numbers. So we have to second digit of these 3 numbers. Is 7 is 4. And this is 2. So 2 is the smallest number. So we will write this number next. Then second smallest number is 4. So we will write this number. Then last is this number. Then remaining number is this. Only 6 is first digit of this number. So lastly we will write this number. Okay, so firstly we will write this number, then this, then this, then this, okay. In the same way you will do these examples. Then next is write the numbers in descending order. In descending order, numbers are arranged in greatest to smallest. First we will write greatest number, then second greatest number, then third greatest number, and so on. Last is we will write smallest number. Okay, so again we will see first digit of these numbers, then 4, 5, 6 and 3. So what is the biggest digit? Is 6. So firstly we will write this number. Okay, then next biggest digit is 5. 5 is the first digit of these 3 numbers. So first digit of this 3 number is same, so we have to second digit of these 3 numbers. Is a 7, is 4 and is 2. What is the biggest number? Is 7. So then we will write this number. Then we will write this number and then write this number. Then next first digit of 4. 4 is same in these 3 numbers. So we have to see second digit of these 3 numbers. Is 5, 7 and is 2. 7 is the greatest number. So we will write this digit. Then this and then this. And last smallest digit is 3. So we will write last this number. Okay. In the same way you will do all these examples. Then next write the Roman numerals of the following numbers. I have already explained about the Roman numerals. So you will write Roman numerals. Okay. Next is write the numbers name according to Indian and international place value system. Here we compare the numbers in Indian place value and in international place value. How to write numbers in Indian place value and how to write the number in international place value. In the Indian place value system, the first comma comes after 3 digits from the right, like this, and the next comma comes after the next 2 digit, and then after every 2 digit, and so on. So first comma comes after 3 digit and then after the next 2 digit. Okay, in Indian place value system. And in international place value system, we have to put a comma after every 3 digit from the right. Here after every 3 digit we will put comma. Okay, first 3 places from the right are same in both the Indian and the international system of numeration. First 3 places these. In the both system, first comma put after first 3 places. Okay, so example first. How to write in Indian place value? Firstly 6, we start from right side. Okay, 6 6 6 3, then comma. Okay, because first 3 digit after first 3 digit we put comma, then 6 3 put comma, because next comma comes after the next 2 digit in the Indian place value system, then 5. So this number can be write like this. Okay, in Indian place value. Okay, and how to read this number? 5,36,366. Okay, in word form. Then how to write in Indian international place value? First we start from right side. 663, then put comma, because in also international system, after three right side from us right side 3 digit, after put comma. Okay, then 365. Okay, because in the international system put a comma after every 3 digit number. Okay, so how to read this? 563,366. Okay, so get it? What is the difference between Indian place value and international place value? So in the same way you will do all these example. Okay, thank you.